Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use your favorite CRM or project management platform, which is going to be ClickUp, as an account or accounting process or accounting procedure within the space. Whether you're managing personal finances, small business accounting, or tracking departmental budgets, ClickUp can be customized to handle all of this efficiently. So we are going to head over to ClickUp.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now, before I head over to the procedure, let's discuss the purpose of having an accountant or accounting. Let's say space or a task for it. Having an accounting space in ClickUp allows you to centralize all your financial data in one place. You can track income and expenses, manage invoices, and even monitor cash flow directly within your projects. This is especially useful if you want to keep your team aligned on budgets and ensure transparency in financial processes. So it is going to be basically something that we are going to manage within our project. The accounting, when you are going to mention it, we are going to use it for budgeting and also for personal uses. You can also use it to set reminders for payments, due dates for invoices, or even recurring financial tasks. We can go ahead and head over to the left side of the screen, and you are going to select one of the spaces that we have here. On this space, for example, I can go ahead and click on Create Folder, or List, or Docs. Organizing your accounting data into folders and lists helps keep everything structured and easy to navigate. I'm going basically here to head over to the templates. On the templates, we're going to add our template by the name of accounting, something like that. So accounting, we're going to find the finance and accounting. It is going to be a part of the ClickUp templates. Templates save a lot of time because they come pre-structured with common accounting fields like debit, credit, receipts, and journal entries. We can go ahead and have an accounting operations journal, payable or whatever. So I'm going to choose this folder, or not this folder, because it is going to contain a lot of things, but the accounting journal. I'm going to use the template. I have the list name, account journal as it is. The space is going to be normally the one that you have selected the template from. Importation, import everything as dates. We're going to modify them there. This way you can keep historical data intact while customizing it for your needs. So we are going to wait for the accounting, as you can see, journal to be added. It's going to be pending a little bit until it is going to import all the different things right there. And it is going to be set up just like that. Now, I'm going to wait for a few seconds until it is going to be added to our space. And then, as you can see, it has been added. We're going to find different views. ClickUp allows you to view your accounting data in multiple ways, such as table view, board view, and even timeline view. This flexibility is excellent for visualizing budgets, expenses, and payments over time. As you can see, the purchases, debit, the credit entry numbers, receipts, you can have the receipts as downloadable, the journal type or state, and the creation date. You're going to find everything here. Having downloadable receipts makes it easy to share documentation for audits or tax purposes. We have also the books, and I don't know, here this is going to be something that you're going to set up as a view and everything. If you see this a little bit complicated, you're going to add another template, type in accounting, account, thing like that. We need to be precise, and you're going to set up the operations, for example, something like that. Or you can go ahead and create it from scratch. By adding a list, you're going to have accounting, you're going to create it, and you're going to add things manually. So you can go ahead and add the due date, priority, and also the columns like, I don't know, here, text column, number columns like debit, credits, and etc. You can even add custom formulas to automatically calculate totals, track budgets, or highlight overdue payments. ClickUp also allows automation, so you can set rules like when a payment is due, send a reminder to the team, or update a budget status automatically. These little automations save a lot of time and reduce errors. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more productivity and accounting tips with ClickUp.